Hello everyone, this is Anshuman Mishra and you are watching my YouTube channel English Study Point. And in today's topic of English language, we are going to discuss about active and passive voice. So what is active and passive voice? We will discuss in this topic. हिंदी में जैसे हम पढ़ते हैं वाच्य परिवर्तन, कर्तृवाच्य, कर्मवाच्य और भाववाच्य. In English there are two voices, active and passive voice, in the same way. So we will study in this topic about the conversion from active to passive and from passive to active also. Okay, so let's discuss regarding this topic. First point is given: a sentence which has the priority of subject, that sentence will be in active voice. अगर किसी सेंटेंस की प्रायोरिटी जो है वो सब्जेक्ट है, यानी सब्जेक्ट पर आधारित है वो, तो दैट सेंटेंस विल बी इन एक्टिव वॉइस. एंड इफ अ सेंटेंस which has the priority of object, that sentence will be in passive voice. अगर किसी सेंटेंस की प्रायोरिटी ऑब्जेक्ट है, यानी वो ऑब्जेक्ट पर डिपेंड करता है, तो दैट सेंटेंस विल बी इन passive voice. This is the difference between active and passive voice. For example, he has completed this work. So he has completed this work. This sentence is based on subject which is he. Subject यहाँ पर he है. So this sentence is active voice. And the same will be conversion: this work has been completed by him. तो ये सेंटेंस यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट बेस्ड हो गया, यानी कि दिस वर्क इज ऑब्जेक्ट, सो दिस सेंटेंस इज ऑब्जेक्ट बेस्ड, सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस सेंटेंस इज इन पैसिव वॉइस. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट: active voice carries helping and main verb according to the tense of that particular sentence. एक्टिव वॉइस हमेशा हेल्पिंग वर्ब और मेन वर्ब अपने साथ रखेगा जिस भी टेंस में वो सेंटेंस होगा, अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेंस ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस. एंड पैसिव वॉइस will always carry main verb's third form. This is the main point, that passive voice will always carry main verb's third form. Okay, then subject will be converted into object and object will be converted into subject. When we are going to convert from active to passive voice, so always remember that the subject of the sentence will be converted into object and object of the sentence will be converted into subject. So these are some basic rules of active and passive voice. In next slide we will discuss regarding the rules for conversion एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. रूल्स क्या हैं कन्वर्जन के एक्टिव से पैसिव वॉइस के. ओके, सो चेंजिंग इन हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स में चेंजेस कैसे होंगे इसमें? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑफ प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. अगर कोई सेंटेंस सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में है, मीन्स प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में है, सो हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑफ प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस विल बी यूज्ड इन पैसिव वॉइस ऑफ दैट सेंटेंस. इज, एम एंड आर. ओके, if sentence is in present continuous, so helping verb of same tense will be used is, am, are plus being. being आप extra use कर देंगे. main verbs third form तो रहेगी ही. these are the changes in helping verbs. okay, present continuous, helping verb of same tense is, am, are plus being. If sentence is in present perfect tense, so helping verb of present perfect continuous tense. okay, has been एंड हैव बीन. ओके, नेक्स्ट टेंस की हेल्पिंग वर्ब हम ऐड कर देंगे इसमें. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, नो conversion. I want to tell you that all perfect continuous tenses will not be converted into passive voice, and one more tense, future continuous, will not be converted into passive voice. Okay, so present perfect continuous, no conversion. Now in next slide we will discuss about past tense. If sentence is in simple past, we will have helping verb of past continuous, was and were. If sentence is in past continuous, so we will use helping verb of same tense, was and were plus being. In the same way, if the sentence is in past perfect tense, so helping verb of past perfect continuous tense, had been, will be used. Okay, and past perfect continuous will have no change into from active to passive voice. Fine. Simple future helping verb of future continuous tense will be and shall be will be used. Future continuous, no conversion. I told you that future continuous will not be converted into passive voice. So future continuous, no conversion. Future perfect tense helping verb of future perfect continuous will have been or shall have been. These verbs will be used in future perfect tense. And if the sentence is in future perfect continuous, there will be no conversion in future perfect continuous tense. So these were the conversion rules for helping verbs. और मेन वर्ब तो थर्ड फॉर्म में रहेगी ही, वो आपको पता ही है, पहले ही बता चुके हैं. ओके, सो the next slide is tense wise conversion. Now we will see tense wise conversion with examples. With examples हम देखेंगे कि tense wise conversion कैसे होगा इसका. First of all we will discuss regarding simple present. Okay, so simple present we will discuss about sentence wise. Affirmative sentence. If a sentence is affirmative sentence, so what is the rule? Subject plus, these are the rules from active to passive voice, from the conversion from active to passive voice. Okay, the sentence is in active voice and you have to convert it into passive voice. So affirmative sentence, subject means that subject which object will be converted into subject, and subject will be converted into object. Okay, so affirmative sentence, subject plus is, am, are plus main verbs third form plus by plus object plus other words. For example, he does this work. So this work will be converted into subject. This work is done by him. If negative sentence is there, subject plus is, am, are plus not plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. For example, he does not do this work. So this work is this work is not done by him. Does नहीं लगेगा, is, am, are verb लगाएंगे. So this work is not done by him. Interrogative sentence is, am, are plus subject if interrogative sentence is starting with helping verb. So is, am, are plus subject plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. So does he do this work? Is this work done by him? Is this work done by him? Does he not do this work? Is this work not done by him? Okay, so negative, intro negative हो गया. If sentence is starting with question word, so is, am, are plus subject plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. Okay, for example, why does he do this work? Why does he do this work? So why is this work done by him? Okay, and why does he not do this work? So why is this work not done by him? These are the conversion of simple present tense. Okay, now we will see the conversion of present continuous tense. Okay, affirmative sentence, subject plus is, am, are plus being plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. For example, he is doing this work, so this work is being done by him. Okay, next is negative sentence, subject plus is, am, are plus not plus being plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. For example, he is not doing this work, or this work is not being done by him. Okay, then interrogative sentence, is, am, are plus subject plus being plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. For example, he doing this work. So is this work being done by him? Okay, is he not doing this work? So is this work not being done by him? Not बीच में लगा देंगे, बस इंट्रोनेगेटिव हो जाएगा. Then question word plus is, am, are plus subject plus being plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. For example, why is he doing this work? So why is this work being done by him? Why is he not doing this work? So why is this work not being done by him? Okay, so this was present continuous tense. Next we will discuss present perfect tense. Okay, so present perfect tense, we all know that affirmative sentence has and have are used in present perfect tense. So affirmative, subject plus has or have, been plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. For example, he has done this work. So this work has been done by him. If negative sentence is there, subject plus has been or have been, has plus have, has or have plus not and then been plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. Okay, for example, he has not done this work. So this work has not been done by him. If we talk about interrogative sentence, so has or have plus subject plus been plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words we will use. For example, has he done this work? So has this work been done by him? Okay, has he not done this work? So has this work not been done by him? If question word is there, so plus question word पहले ऐड हो जाएगा, then has or have plus subject, then been plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. Okay, for example, why has he done this work? So why has this work been done by him? Or why has he not done this work? So why has this work not been done by him? Okay, simple past. If simple past we are talking about, main verb second form is used in affirmative and then did is used as a helping verb. Okay, so simple past, affirmative sentence, subject plus was or were plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. Okay, he did this work. This work was done by him. Okay, then negative sentence, subject plus was or were plus not plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. For example, he did not do this work. So this work was not done by him. Interrogative sentence, was or were plus subject plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. For example, did he do this work? So was this work done by him? Or did he not do this work? So was this work not done by him? Okay, if any question word is there, so it will be added before helping verb. Question word plus was or verb plus subject plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. For example, why did he do this work? So why was this work done by him? Why did he not do this work? So why was this work not done by him? So it was simple past. Okay, now past continuous tense. Past continuous, was, were are used, same verbs will be used. Affirmative sentence, subject plus was or were plus being plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. For example, he was doing this work. This work was being done by him. Okay, if negative sentence is there, subject plus was or were plus not plus being plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. Okay, for example, he was not doing this work, or this work was not being done by him. Okay, interrogative sentence, was or were plus subject plus being plus main verbs third form plus by plus object and then other words. For example, was he doing this work? Was this work being done by him? Or interrogative, was he not doing this work? was this work not being done by him? If any question word is there, so it will be added question word plus was and were plus subject plus being plus main verb's third form plus by plus object plus other words. Okay, for example, why was he doing this work? Okay, why was this work being done by him? Why was he not doing this work? So why was this work not being done by him? So this was past continuous. Now we will discuss about past perfect tense. Okay, affirmative sentence: subject plus had plus been plus main verb's third form plus by plus object plus other words. Okay, for example, he had done this work. So this work had been done by him. Okay, negative: subject plus had plus not plus been, then main verb's third form, then by plus object, and then at last other words. For example, he had not done this work. This work had not been done by him. Okay, interrogative sentence: had plus subject, then been plus main verb's third form plus by plus object and then other words. Okay, for example, had he done this work? So had this work been done by him? Okay, had he not done this work? So had this work not been done by him? Okay, and if any question word is there, it will be added before helping verb. So question word plus had plus subject plus been plus main verb's third form plus by plus object and at last then other words. For example, why had he done this work? So why had this work been done by him? And why had this work not done by him? Okay, why had this work not been done by him? This is this should be in active voice. Why had he done this work? Why had he not done this work? It should be like this. So why had this work not been done by him? It may be written wrong here. You can correct this. Why had he not done this work? Okay, so why had this work not been done by him? This will be the correct one. So it was past perfect tense. So now the things are in this slide are completed. Next we will discuss regarding future tense and some other imperative sentence and some other miscellaneous sentences in next slide and in next class. Okay, so till that time, thank you very much for watching this video and try to practice your exercises. Thank you very much.